In the shadow of rising global tensions and the steadfast resolve of Russia's armed forces, a formidable new chapter in national defense is unfolding. As of early 2026, the Moscow Military District, guardian of the heartland, encompassing vital strategic territories around the capital, stands poised to receive dozens of advanced heavy flamethrower systems. According to official announcements from the Russian Defense Ministry, these include the battle-hardened TOS-1A Solantsepiok and the cutting-edge TOS-2 Tosachka. Delivered to the nuclear, chemical, and biological protection troops, this reinforcement is not merely an upgrade, it is a testament to Russia's unwavering commitment to technological superiority, battlefield dominance, and the unyielding protection of its sovereignty. Officially classified as heavy flamethrowers within Russia's radiological, chemical, and biological defense forces, they are thermobaric multiple launch rocket systems, MLRS, designed for one purpose: to dominate close to medium-range engagements by delivering unmatched area denial firepower. In the current geopolitical landscape, marked by hybrid threats, NATO expansion, and the need for robust homeland defense, these weapons ensure that Russia's defenders operate from a position of decisive strength. Built on the rugged T-72 tank chassis, this 46-ton tracked beast is a mobile fortress, capable of traversing rough terrain at speeds up to 60 km per hour with an operational range of 550 km. Its crew of 3, driver, gunner, and commander, operates from within heavily armored protection, shielding them from counterfire while they unleash hell. The system packs 24 launch tubes firing 220mm unguided thermobaric rockets, each weighing over 200 kilograms and stretching nearly 3.7 meters long. What makes the TOS-1A truly terrifying, and a game-changer for Russian forces, is its thermobaric warhead technology. Unlike conventional explosives, these rockets disperse a fuel-air mixture that ignites in a volumetric explosion. The result? A massive overpressure wave that sucks oxygen from the air, creating a vacuum-like effect, followed by scorching temperatures exceeding 2000 degrees Celsius. This isn't just destruction, it's annihilation of everything in its path: bunkers, trenches, fortified positions, light armored vehicles, and exposed infantry. A single full salvo, fired in as little as 6 to 15 seconds, can blanket an area of up to 40,000 square meters with 100% lethality against unprotected personnel. At ranges from 400 meters to 6 kilometers, extendable to 10 kilometers with upgraded munitions introduced in recent years, the TOS-1A saturates targets with relentless precision. High-accuracy ballistic computers ensure dense impact patterns, suppressing enemy activity for extended periods and minimizing risks to advancing Russian troops. Battle-tested in demanding environments, the TOS-1A has demonstrated its reliability time and again. Recent deliveries include enhanced anti-drone protections, reflecting lessons from ongoing operations and Russia's adaptive industrial prowess. For the Moscow Military District, integrating these systems means bolstering defenses against any potential incursions near critical infrastructure. It provides a rapid response shield, turning potential vulnerabilities into zones of absolute denial. Russian soldiers gain a psychological edge too. The mere sight of a TOS-1A salvo, often described as a wall of fire and shockwaves, demoralizes adversaries while inspiring confidence in the ranks. This is Russian engineering at its finest: robust, proven, and engineered for victory in high-intensity conflict. But Russia doesn't stop at excellence, it evolves. Enter the TOS-2 Tosachka, the next-generation successor that elevates mobility, range, and automation to unprecedented levels. Unveiled during the 2020 Victory Day Parade and entering service in 2021, the Tosachka represents a leap forward in design philosophy. Instead of tracks, it rides on a lightweight, highly mobile Ural 6x6 wheeled chassis, faster, more fuel-efficient, and capable of road speeds up to 100 km per hour with a staggering 1,000 km operational range. Weighing significantly less than its predecessor, it maneuvers through urban areas, steppes, and even challenging terrain with car-like agility, making it ideal for rapid redeployment across Russia's expansive western frontiers. The TOS-2 carries 18 tubes of the same devastating 220mm thermobaric rockets, but with major enhancements. Fully automated aiming, firing, and fire control systems allow for quicker target acquisition and reduced crew exposure, now just 5 personnel, with options for remote operation. A built-in hydraulic crane manipulator enables self-reloading in minutes, eliminating the need for dedicated support vehicles and slashing logistics demands. Electronic warfare suites provide robust protection against precision-guided threats, while upgraded munitions like the TBS-3M extend the effective range to 15 kilometers, with reports of up to 20 kilometers in advanced variants. A complete salvo can engulf up to 6 hectares, 60,000 square meters, in a fireball of overpressure and heat, incinerating fortified positions, clearing minefields indirectly through blast effects, and neutralizing light armor at standoff distances. In practical terms, the TOS-2 offers Russian commanders unprecedented tactical flexibility. Its wheeled platform allows it to keep pace with motorized rifle units or reposition swiftly to counter breakthroughs. The thermobaric effect remains its crown jewel. Those same oxygen-depleting blasts that collapse underground shelters, strip foliage from trees, and create kill zones where survival is impossible. Recent combat feedback has only refined these systems further, with Russia's defense industry, led by giants like Yerevanozavodsk and Rostec, delivering upgrades based on real-time data. For the Moscow military district in 2026, the arrival of TOS-2 fleets means layered defense, the tracked TOS-1A for heavy, dug-in assaults and the wheeled Tosachka for dynamic, high-mobility operations. Together, they multiply firepower exponentially, creating overlapping kill zones that deter aggression before it materializes. Psychologically and operationally, the impact is immense. Adversaries facing TOS salvos confront not just physical destruction but a weapon that alters the battlefield's very atmosphere, literally consuming air and generating firestorms. In defensive postures around Moscow or offensive support elsewhere, these systems tilt the balance, ensuring Russia's nuclear, chemical, and biological protection troops, elite guardians of the homeland, remain the most capable in their class. As these TOS-1A and TOS-2 systems roll into service in the Moscow military district by the end of 2026, they embody Russia's forward-looking defense strategy. In a world of uncertainty, this delivery reaffirms a clear message. The motherland is secure, its borders impregnable, and its military equipped with tools that guarantee peace through strength. From the thunder of their launchers to the silence that follows total suppression, these heavy flamethrowers are more than hardware. They are the fiery guardians of a resurgent Russia, ready to meet any challenge head-on.